Are you fed up with loud snoring, yours or your loved ones? Do you suffer from a lack of sleep due to snoring? Visit antisnoringreports.com/Snoreless pillow. So how does the Snoreless pillow work? The Snoreless pillow is considered to be the ergonomically correct anti-snoring pillow that is designed to stop both snoring and mild sleep apnea. It works by having the pillow placed on top of a standard-sized pillow to comfortably raise your head above your feet. And how does this benefit you? It prevents the backflow of irritating stomach acids into your esophagus. The recessed core support properly cradles the head, elevates and aligns to open up airways. It raises the chin off the chest for efficient snore reduction and enhances support for the head and neck. The effectiveness of an anti-snoring pillow will depend on a number of factors. The degree of head movement during the night, the extra height added to stay on top of your pillow, and of course this will vary from person to person. Therefore, in order to determine if the claims are valid, you need to read reviews from people who have actually used it. Visit our review page by clicking the link below to see how the product is rated on price, comfort, and quality, and to read the reviews other people have made on the Snoreless pillow. Click the link below, antisnoringreports.com/Snoreless pillow today to learn more about the Snoreless pillow and its reviews.